Kuvele izinsolo ezimangalisayo ngenkathi umholi we-AMCU uJoseph Mathunjwa ehlatshwa ngembuzo.
You were saying you'll get the people off the copy on condition that you get a place at the negotiating table, meaning I don't get a place, I won't get them off.
That's totally untrue. I'll dispute it.
If you raise your right hand and say, I swear, you say, I swear.
Manje sekuyithuba layo le ndoda ukuthi yethule ubufakazi.
You tell us about you meeting Mr. Mathunjwa on the 16th of August 2012. Will you explain to the chairman and the commissioners how that happened and what transpired during that meeting?
And as I stepped into the reception area, I noticed Joseph and a few other people sitting on the lounge suites at reception. And Joseph immediately recognized me. We had met previously when I was in BHP Bulletin, when I was responsible for the South African coal operations. We exchanged cell phone numbers. Joseph took my number and I took his number down. And in the process of that conversation, he said words to the effect that, give me a place at the negotiating table and I'll get the workers off the mountain, or the copy.
USidat uthi wamtshela uMathunjwa ukuthi njengoba wayengasabhekene nokusebenza kwenkampani kwansuku zonke angeke akwazi ukwenza leso sinqumo. Kodwa uthi wawudlulisa umyalezo kaMathunjwa kubaphathi bemayini wase-Asia lapho. Ngingubongiwe Khumalo, eCenturion, eGoli.